Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. BJP-MGP leaders agree that alliance is on verge of breaking, except that both parties have started preparations to face assembly polls independently. BJP failed on drugs issue, but Congress will shift casinos out of Mandavi if Congress candidate wins Panji by poll. Surendra files nomination. Accused builders in Ruby residency case, Pardeep Singh Biring and Jagdeep Sehgal sent to judicial custody, files bail plea before Panji Special Court. Manipuri women killed by a Manipuri domestic worker at Fatorda. Helper claims owner was harassing him at work, confesses crime. And Goa women's cricket team creates history by winning National 2020 Cricket Championship. Goa Cricket Association announces cash bonus to players and support staff. And now the news in detail. Looks like MGP and BJP are all set to go solo for Zilla Parishad and Assembly polls. MGP MLA Lavu Mamledar says that BJP should not blame Sudin Daulikar for performing par excellence. MGP is working in 26 constituencies and is ready to face polls without any alliance. The spat between BJP and MGP began from the moment Deepak Daulikar's portfolios were stripped. BJP MLA Michael Lobo said they also want to test the water. BJP President Amit Shah is not in favor of coalition governments and we are following the directives.
नाही सुदीन काम करता सुदीनच काम करचे न्ही हे म्हणप जाल्यार दॅट इज रॉंग.
तुम्ही म्हणता की सुदीनार काम करचे न्ही म्हणचे परस आम्ही सुदीना परस चड काम केला. हे इंडस्ट्री टुरिझम या डिपार्टमेंटान दाखोवन दिवपाक
तो फक्त एक बिटरनेस वाडला ह्युमिलिएशन जे पळय दीपकाक जालां ते जावं जायना आशिल्लें थंयच्यान मातशें बिटर सुरू जालो.
सी बीजेपी लेजिस्लेटर्साची एक हे आहा की लेट अस गो इंडिपेंडेंट, लेट अस टेस्ट द वॉटर्स एट हाउ स्ट्रॉंग वी आर.
ऑब्वियसली जाल्यार बीजेपी म्हणटली असेंब्लीक आमी इंडिपेंडेंटली वचूया.
2007
आमकांय कळटलें की आमची स्ट्रेंथ कितली आसा ती.
महाराष्ट्रान युती तुटली निमण्या उत्तर.
बरोबर.
What was the result? Result came in the favor of BJP. Legislators have given a clear indication of going it alone. Party will decide about the alliance.
We will have to go alone. आम्ही म्हटले.
तुम्ही कितली प्रिपेअर्ड आहात नॉर्थ आणि साऊथात?
अजून आम्ही ते कॅल्क्युलेट करूना. आम्ही 26 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आमचें काम चालू आसा. असेंब्ली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन तेच काम आम्ही झडपीक वापरतले.
आमचो जो पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट आहा अमित शाह त्याने एक डिसिजन घेतलेले आहा की अलायन्स इज नॉट अ व्हेरी गुड इक्वेशन टू फॉर्म अ गव्हर्मेंट बिकॉज सगळे जे वॉट यू वॉन्ट टू डू समटाइम्स द अलायन्स स्टॉप्स यू फ्रॉम डुईंग.
BJP had assured to make Goa drugs-free destination. Its own former CM was on record saying tourists flock to Goa for drugs. Goa has been converted into a heaven of drugs. GPCC President Luisan Thalero came down heavily on the state BJP. Congress differed with Senior Rani's views when it came to regional plan. It said BJP should scrap RP 2021 or bring back draft RP into force. Congress is not in support of contesting Zilla Panchayat polls on party lines.
If the government knows that the tourists are coming because of the drugs and that they should allow this to exist, government has only become indirectly a government of drug pushers and drug mafia. They had given a commitment to the people of Goa that they will stop this drug mafia. What has happened after 3 years?
Congress has written off Senior Rani's suggestion of implementing RP 2021 with priority. Congress demands enforcement of draft RP.
My party is saying Our senior leader, who is a leader of opposition, Mr. Pratap Singh Raoji Rane, has brought a 2001 regional plan that is fine. Congratulations to him. That should be, and that is. If anybody tries to change, we will oppose it. As far as the new plan, you go by your promises.
But Mr. Rani himself doesn't want the 2001 plan. He wants the new plan implemented.
What do you expect him to say?
I am telling you.
You are saying
People are fed up. People are fed up because you neither has got this plan nor that plan. At least let that plan be there. That is what he has said.
Congress is not in favor of contesting Zilla Panchayat polls on party lines.
We strongly oppose this. And that is what we have decided in today's executive committee meeting. That the government has got a responsibility to consult all the stakeholders and then take a decision.
Louisiana is assured to shift all the casinos from Mandovi if their candidate wins Panji by poll.
And if the people of Panjim give him the mandate as their representative in the assembly, definitely we will take action to ensure that all the casinos, directly or indirectly, if the government takes a decision or not, the corporation will withdraw all their permissions if they don't fall in line to see that the river Mandovi is saved for the people of Panjim and saved for the people of Goa.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Bharari for Prudent.
Accused builders Pardeep Singh Biring and Jagdeep Sehgal have been sent to judicial custody for 14 days. Both Biring and Sehgal have filed their bail application before the Panji Special Court. After evading arrest for almost 1 year, accused builders were arrested in Mumbai on 16 January. After completion of 5 days police custody, accused builders Pardeep Singh Biring and Jagdeep Sehgal were produced before the Panji Special Court on Thursday. Crime Branch did not press upon extending the police remand further. Hence, the court sent Pardeep Singh Biring and Jagdeep Sehgal to judicial custody. Later, the defence counsel filed their applications for bail. According to Crime Branch sources, prosecution will oppose the bail application of accused builders. Custodial interrogation of accused builders has been completed, but Crime Branch has not disclosed the mystery about the whereabouts of Pardeep Singh Biring and Jagdeep Sehgal for last 1 year. But during the arguments on bail, prosecution has to disclose the role of both the accused builders in building collapse and reason behind evading the arrest for more than a year. Ruby Residency had collapsed on 4 January 2014, in which 31 labourers died and many were injured. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. A woman was found murdered at Fatorda on Thursday. A Manipuri domestic helper, Kesing, aged 22 years, assaulted and killed a Manipuri woman, Chongmala, with a baseball bat. The helper informed that the owner was harassing him at work. He has confessed of committing the crime. The domestic helper was engaged to take care of a 6-month-old baby. Chongmala's husband, Savio Fernandez, who is a Goan and is working on a cruise liner, was not at home during the incident. Marga police are probing the case.
आज पळय खून जाला तो सामको ग्रुसम आनी तो तेंचेच लोकांचो पळय वर्कर डोमेस्टीक वर्कर तांणी थंयच्यान हाडिल्लो म्हणजे मणिपुरी डोमेस्टीक वर्कर तांणी तिचे खून केला तो आपली ती कारणां दिता की ती काम चड दिताली हें करताली तें करताली तो 24 वर्सांचो भुरगो तो वचपाक शकतालो परत तांणी हांगा रावन हें करपाचें न्ही काम आवडना तांणी परत वचपाचें सोयऱ्यांक कॉन्टॅक्ट करून सांगपाचें नाजाल्यार कसोय तरी एक उपाय करून ताणें वचपाचें आज तांणी खून केलो ताचो तिका धुल्या बिल्या सगळें पुसलां एविडन्स आनी मागीर कपडो सुद्दां तिका पळय पुशिल्लो तो कपडो सुद्दां धुवन दवरला आनी मागीर वयर चवथी बारीक वचून तांणी इन्फॉर्म केला की आपणे तिची खून केल्या कित्याक लागून वाद जालो तो म्हणटा तेंचो वाद जालो तो आयनींग करताले दिसा ही बोवाड मारताली तेजी पॅन्ट बेगीन घाल भुरग्याचें म्हणून तेका लागून तो म्हणटा म्हाका ते खरें दिसना तो म्हणटा बॅट हेजो बॅट तो कसो म्हणटा तो बेसबॉल बॅट ते बॅटान मारले म्हणटा पूण त्या बॅटाचेर कांय रक्त बी ना आनी कशें मारले तें आतां इट्स अ मॅटर फॉर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन कित्यान कशें.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.